Gutter joints separating is one of those annoying problems that can cause big headaches with water damage if you don't fix it right away. So, if you notice your gutter seams pulling apart, the first thing you want to do is clean the area real good. Get rid of dirt, old sealant, and any grime. Use a putty knife or a stiff brush to scrape off the old stuff so the new sealant sticks properly. Next, pick up a high-quality waterproof sealant that's made for gutters. Silicone or polyurethane ones work best because they hold up against rain and sun. When you apply the sealant, squeeze it generously along the seam, making sure it fills every little crack or gap. Smooth it out with your finger or a tool so it looks neat and seals well. If your gutter connectors are damaged or cracked, it's better to replace them instead of just sealing, because no sealant can fix broken parts. Always double check that the gutters are aligned correctly before sealing or replacing parts. Misalignment puts stress on joints and makes them pull apart again. Finally, keep an eye on your gutters during heavy rain to make sure the fix is holding, and plan to inspect them twice a year to catch problems early. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutter joint repairs is not cleaning the seams properly before sealing, which makes the sealant peel off fast. Fix that by scrubbing and scraping first. Another common issue is using cheap or wrong sealant that doesn't resist weather, so always go for waterproof, weatherproof sealants designed for outdoor use. Lastly, a lot of folks try to patch up busted connectors with sealant alone, but cracked connectors need to be swapped out because they'll cause leaks no matter what. Just pop in new connectors and seal around them for a solid fix. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle gutter repairs and other home projects. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to get more work since it helps them find clients nearby who need their skills.